Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video is presented to you by Chiacon Consulting. And in this video, we will learn how you can extract a number from a string using regex in UiPath Studio. So without wasting any time, let's just quickly jump onto the studio. Okay, so now we are in studio. So here I have a small sequence created for you guys. So here in this sequence, I have done nothing, just I have just provided a text here, which includes, if you see here, which includes numeric terms as well and the text as well. So how this regex will help you? So sometimes we have this use case where we need to just extract the numeric value from a text, from a string. So here you just need to apply this regex. You'll be able to extract the number from your text by just one assign activity. Okay, so here I will show you. What I'll do is I will remove this regex expression and I will write it down for you guys. Okay, system dot text dot regular expression dot regex dot replace. Okay, now here you need to pass your variable. So here also, if you can see, it is asking me to provide an input as string. So I have my variable, which is lvstr, comma. Now here's the main part, comma. Okay, so I'll explain you about this regex. So here what this regex will do, this will replace from this input string the numeric terms with nothing. So this D denotes the numeric terms in regex. So it will replace from this input the numeric terms with nothing, and it will give me an output with all the numeric terms that is there in the string. Okay, let's just debug this and see how this works. Okay, so this is the text that we have provided here. If you see 2023 14, there are a lot of numeric terms here. It gave me this, all the numeric terms. I'll give you another example. Just an example, I have a file name which is input file version 14.xlsx. So if you have a file name like this and you want to extract the number, but you are not sure, either it will be 14, either it will be 114, either it will be only 4. So you can't do a substring here. What I will do is I will run this bot with this input string. So this is the input string that we have provided, and this is the output that we have got. So that is how you can easily extract any numeric value from your input string. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and comment down below if you have any query. Thank you so much for watching.